While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts, and getting more financial backer consideration on account of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chadakavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, distributed exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across geologies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing computerized resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain designed to make a cluster of a few exchanges, which can then be confirmed utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to large number of exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design additionally permits it to increment effectiveness while diminishing carbon impression by lessening the power utilization up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise decreasing expenses up to 66% of the typical charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As per the site, OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of subsidizing around $80 million in Series C financing. OMG at last sees a few achievement and genuinely necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other digital forms of money, the administration holds some stockpile of the all-out portion of coins. As the most extreme inventory is fixed, there is supposed to be a greatest cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Not at all like numerous other digital currencies. The absolute stock has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% circling through dynamic financial backers. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer energy. OMG Organization Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for Boba Administration Token, which has been in the news as of late. As per the undertaking site, Boba organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to diminish gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the capacities of shrewd agreements. Named Boba organization, the venture is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most cryptographic forms of money to have an installment cycle at a lightning-quick speed. This will expand the perceivability of cryptos as a practical opponent to Visa and MasterCard. Assuming this innovation alters the way how the world handles monetary standards, it will be the following large thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital currency estimate stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost forecasts. In view of our OMG cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost estimate for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. As per their OMG cost gauge, the coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising propensity, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as per our expectation. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021, however, is as yet 70% underneath its pinnacle. It has grabbed financial backers' eye. In the event that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the Boba network turns into a hit with designers, OMG organization cost could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. OMG organization expectations. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72, a most extreme cost of $4.96, the base cost of $4.20 for December 2022. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost estimate toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. OMG specialized investigation. In the event that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in something like a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time period. The drop in cost in 2018 was predominantly because of the restricting of OMG digital money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for merchants. In any case, is it sufficient at this sticker cost to purchase OMG Organize? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best passage point? We should find out with the specialized examination. The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a flowing stockpile of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the most extreme coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80 individually. The gathering has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet steady, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different conjectures. OMG Value Forecast 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG organization will essentially think about the cost diagram it structures. The OMG value conjecture of $6.53 is sensibly protected in the event that the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment over the long run as it earns the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG organization estimate. Thus, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized examination is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivating force to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the